This video will explain how to create a project from scratch with VertisFlow. First, you'll go to Projects and Gantt. Then you'll choose your folder. I'm using VertisFlow, and you can filter at the top for the company and even the person that you're using. If you hover over the down arrow, you can choose Project if it doesn't show up. Once you see all the things in your folder, to create a new project, you double-click on the Project button on the right-hand corner. This will bring up a box for you to fill out. You'll choose the company name. Then you can import a template if you'd like, or start from scratch. When you import a template, it will give you a code and a description that you can change to be anything you'd like. Then it'll ask you to select a typology, and you can choose from the pull-down list. Then you can choose from the status whether it's in progress, on hold, or anything else. You add the expected period for however long this project may be. And then you can add the amount of hours that should be dedicated to this project under Effort. Under Team, you'll choose from the drop-down list, and then add a team manager, whether that's you or someone else. From here, you'll go on to Activities. If your template already includes activities, they'll show up here. If not, you can add an activity using this button here. You can add a description, tell us whether or not it's in progress, and choose the dates where this should be accomplished. Then you can import the teams and resources so it has those users saved. And you can also add how many hours should be used. You can do this for as many activities as you'd like by simply adding another activity and choosing the information. Once you've finished all the activities, you can go to Details. If under Details you select the Automatic Analysis slider, it will show you a progress bar on your Gantt chart of how much is done. You can choose whether it gives you over budget notifications, choose a priority, add a reference number, choose tags, add a subject, and choose a category, whether it's maintenance or anything else. Under Info and Notes, it's usually text or a photo that you can drag and drop and save. And now you've created your first project. Then, when you go to the Gantt bars, you'll see them. As you can see, here's the project and all of the activities. So how do I get it to have even more things like this? Well, for that, I have to add activities and tasks. But what's the difference? These come from the PMP framework for project management. But basically, a task is something that needs to be done at some point, but it's not specified who is assigned or when it needs to be done. An activity is something planned for a certain time and is assigned to a specific person. So we will add a new task, and the company will be VertisFlow. You'll grab the task and pull it over here to whichever one you're trying to go. Once this box pulls up, it'll show you the company, VertisFlow, the project, Build the Titanic, the activity, make sure it floats, and here you can add the description if it needs to be different, and also you can choose tags, you can pick a status from the list, and this will help you when you look at the Kanban view also. Then you can choose who it's assigned to, whether one person or more. You can choose the expected period of time and choose the effort or how many hours out of the day. It'll automatically show you how much time is available at the bottom. Then from the drop-down area, if you hover over the arrow, you can click Tasks. Doing that will show you which tasks are available and which ones have been partially finished. To add a time report, you grab the R on the corner and add it to the task that you were doing. Here, it'll show you the user, the status, all of the information about this task, and then you can choose how many hours you've worked on it. Then once you refresh the page, you'll see what's overdue and what time reports have been created and fulfilled. As you can see, this one's green. Another way to see all of the tasks that need to be completed and have already been completed, you can go to Projects Kanban. Here you'll see all the tasks assigned to you and what status they're currently at. You can also drag and drop them to a different one when there's an update.